Hello friends, in this video 16th question of 11th class exam which was held in March 2018 will be solved. Now this question have two parts. This question gives us two options. We can solve any of one question. So I will solve both the questions one by one. In this video the one question is solved. For another question, there is different video and these questions are of 5 marks and all other questions of this paper, that is of 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks, whose links are given into the descriptions. From there you can watch the other videos. So keep on watching. Now moving towards the question number 16th, second part. A cylindrical piece of cork of base area A and height h floats in a liquid of density ρ1. The cork is depressed slightly and then released, so that the cork oscillates up and down simple harmonically with a period, that is t is equal to 2 pi under root h rho divided by ρ1 g. Here rho is the density of the cork, ignore damping due to the viscosity of the liquid. And it is saying that a cylinder is there which is floating inside a liquid. So for that let us consider this is the liquid chamber in which this liquid is formed and the density of this liquid is say ρ1. It is given here. Now let us consider a cylinder is there of height h. Now this is the height of the cylinder h. Now there is some part is inside the liquid and length of the cylinder which is inside the liquid is say L. Now let rho be the density. Here it is given that rho is the density of cylinder. This is the density of the cylinder and A is area of cross section. Here h is the height given, that is written on this cylinder also. Density of the liquid and density of the cylinder is different, so it will move towards downward. In this question we use law of flotation and we have to find out how much weight of the cylinder and how much is the weight of the liquid displaced by it, and we put them in equilibrium because these forces will cancel out each other. So first of all we have to find out the weight of the body, or we can simply write weight of body. I am writing about the cylinder here, so I can write that is equal to Ah rho g. Ah is the volume of that, rho is the density which will give mass, and multiplying with g it will give the weight. Now weight of the liquid displaced by this cylinder. How much weight it is displaced, that is A. Height inside the liquid. Height inside the liquid is L. So I write here L. And density of the liquid, because we are dealing with the liquid here, so L ρ1, and this is multiplied with G. In equilibrium, both of these forces will balance out each other, and we write that is Ah rho g, that is equal to Al ρ1 g. This is cancelling A with A and G with G, we get H rho, that is equal to L ρ1. So this is the equation which we obtained. So this is equation number 1. Now it says that the cylinder is depressed slightly and then released. So the forces will again get changed when it is depressed, and the cylinder is depressed somewhat like this. Now it will move inside the liquid. As you can see here, it goes inside the liquid, it displaces more liquid and hence more force will act on that. Now let us consider this goes up to a depth up to this point and oscillates about that, and let that depth, that is represented by y, I am writing here y. So y is the distance which it moves inside the liquid after depressing. So restoring force, or we can simply say buoyant force acting on it, that is restoring force F, that is equal to, we can simply write minus, because restoring force is working on upward direction, so I am using the negative sign here, A, and this distance y. So this is the volume of this, volume multiplied by the density of the liquid, and density of the liquid we know is ρ1 multiplied with g. So this is the force, restoring force acting on this. As we know that by Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So from here we can find out A, that is equal to force per unit mass. Now solving next part, that is A, putting the value of this force, that is minus Ay ρ1 g divided by mass. As we know that mass of the cylinder, that is equal to A h rho. So this is the acceleration produced in this. So cancelling A with A, we get, that is acceleration A is negative sign ρ1 g y divided by h rho. So this is the acceleration produced inside there. This is the equation number 2. Now from here it is clear that acceleration A is directly proportional to displacement and negative is there. So motion is harmonic, for which time period is given by, that is t, that is equal to 2 pi. We know the simple formula is there, multiplied under root displacement divided by acceleration. So this is the simple formula, and from here we get 2 pi under root of displacement is y and acceleration is a. We use the value of a from here, since negative sign is there and negative sign represents the acceleration is always towards the mean position. So I will just take magnitude of a. So putting this value of magnitude of a, that is equal to 2 pi under root of y divided by ρ1 gy and h rho is there, so h rho. So this is the formula. Now if there are the terms which can be cancelled, so we must cancel them, and we get, that is t, that is equal to 2 pi under root of h rho divided by ρ1 g, which is the required expression. So in this way we can solve this. 17th and 18th question, which are also 5 marks. For those, links are given into the descriptions from where you can check them. Thank you very much.